am thine, O Lord. I have heard thy voice, and it told thy love to me.
Una good morning, all of una wey dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens Devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye writes. Today na Friday, 19th April 2024, and our topic today na your morning. Our memory verse dey for Ecclesiastes chapter 12 verse 1, and it talks say, remember your creator when you still dey young, when evil days never come. Because when you don old, you go talk say life no sweet again. Our Bible reading dey for Lamentation chapter 3 verse 27. And now wey we still dey young, we suppose learn how to get patient and wait for God. Now the message. Wetin the morning of any man mean, na im be in youth o. For 1 John chapter 2 verse 15, Apostle John talk say, I don write to una wey be young ones, because una strong. The thing wey dey special pass for youth na their strength. I know say many youths dem dey see their youthful days as days to take enjoy theirself. Na true. Because according to Ecclesiastes chapter 11 verse 9 to 10, Bible talk say, dey happy, you wey be young man. Make you dey jollificate as you dey young so. But make you know say all these things God go judge am. You see say the passage wey we just read also talk say, young people go give account of all the seed wey they plant for this life. Those people wey spend their youthful life dey engage for all kind of things, they go reap plenty trouble later for life. This one dey for Galatians chapter 6 verse 7. For Genesis chapter 49 verse 1 to 4, when Israel wan die, he call him children together and he start to dey prophesy about their future give them. He tell Reuben, you mighty Reuben, you get excellent strength, but you no go make am for this life. Why he talk like this? For Genesis chapter 35 verse 22, Reuben do something when he suppose no do, and the papa come hear about that thing. So when the papa wan come die, he tell am say he no go make am for this life, even though na firstborn him be. If you come read Revelation chapter 7 verse 1 to 5, e go shock you say the time when they list the children of Israel wey dey sealed, Reuben no be the first again. My brethren, if you dey young now, e mean say you never reach 30 years old o. Abeg use your useful age well well. Dey careful about the kind seed wey you dey plant now, because you go reap the fruit later. And the harvest dey always plenty pass the seed wey person dey plant. 1 John chapter 2 verse 14 talk say, I don write to una young people, because una dey strong, and God word dey inside una, and una don overcome the wicked one. This message no only talk say you dey strong as youth, but you also talk say God word suppose dey inside you, and you go overcome the wicked one. Your youthful days na days where you suppose soak yourself for God's word like never before. Na time to take memorize plenty scriptures wey you fit memorize. Now na time to take build your spiritual strength, so you go fit stand against devil and overcome am. Use your strength do plenty things for God o, because time go come when you go discover say to be young person no go last forever. The main point for today's message be say, make you dedicate your youth to know God and to serve am without limit. I thank una as una listen to the Open Heavens on the go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o, till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.